anak ka niya.
Anak?
Oo, hindi lang. Ano na anak? Anak.
Dagat mo dyan.
Oo.
Mo ni Saman? Dugmaya sa mga sakyanan ay murag langgam.
Sa man ang isla na dagat.
Oh. Andito dapit. Andiri dapit mga balay-balay.
Cabin crew landing stations.
Ayun, dito ka ala.
Balay nga sana balay nga kataas ay puro bukit tipo magmatuya murag balik sa lampati. Dako kayo ang dagat jo lapad. Di ginuupo kag matoy sa mga sakyanan. Ang motor kay murarag kuan manok kanang single murag manok. Lain na tanaw sa mga balay oy. O wala na yung balay. Saan man eh?
Ito pa na. Dagat na simento.
Wala na yung balay. Simento na Judy ay. Roy. Ari. Inay lang oy.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Davao International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by your flight crew, Captain Gopalan, First Officer Briones, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that the unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for passengers needing assistance, such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door.